Remember the day you were born or any kid is born? He doesn't pronounce on the very first day every letter, word or sentence correctly. It takes nearly 8 months to be comfortable with the sounds of letters. It takes 8 more months to be comfortable with the sounds of words in a language. And it takes 8 more months to be comfortable with sentences in a language. Hello, this is Kapildev Sharma and I once again welcome you to my YouTube channel English by Kapildev Sharma. In this video, I'll be talking about some tips and tricks that I'm sure are going to help you improve your spoken English. But before I proceed, let me mark you, I've been uploading videos of complete English grammar for the last 2 years on my YouTube channel. Several people have got benefit from them and some students have also been successful in getting a job out of them. I've never been to the USA or the UK or any other English-speaking country before, so if any native speaker is listening to me, because 81% of my subscribers are from India, while the 19% are from the rest of the world, so if any native speaker is listening to me, please excuse me for the mistakes that I may commit in terms of enunciation, pronunciation, stress on syllable or anything. Here we go. The first one is focus more on enunciation, not pronunciation. Now, what about the difference between enunciation and pronunciation? Pronunciation, as we all know, is the exact sound of a letter or a word, while enunciation is putting emphasis on each letter or vowel or consonant. That means to exaggerate a sound, just to make your lips or tongue comfortable with the sounds of English. How it works? Let me give you some examples. Remember the day you were born or any kid is born? He doesn't pronounce on the very first day every letter, word or sentence correctly. It takes nearly 8 months to be comfortable with the sounds of letters. It takes 8 more months to be comfortable with the sounds of words in a language. And it takes 8 more months to be comfortable with sentences in a language. The same happens in cricket. On the very first day when you start playing cricket, you can't hit boundaries on every ball. Not everybody's Virender Sehwag. But yes, once you play or practice slowly, you just catch your eye, you just get comfortable with the ball coming at your bat, and then you can start hitting boundaries. Remember when you were taught driving? On the very first day, you can't drive a car at 120 km/h. Please get comfortable in the streets, in the roads of the city, and once you get comfortable there, once you get the greater control of the vehicle, you can start driving faster on roads because they are wide enough. The same happens in a language. Once you get your tongue and lips comfortable, you can pronounce words, letters, sentences faster and clearer. So please focus on enunciation, exaggerate them, read them out aloud, and you can record your voices. Once you listen to them back, you can identify what are the mistakes that you have committed, and next time try to drop them. The second thing is try to merge letters together. And what does that mean? As an Indian, I can put some examples of Hindi here. Remember the day when you were taught the Hindi alphabet? Ka, kha, ga, gha, cha, cha, ja, jha. And initially in a book when you were taught ra, a, m. Ram school jata hai. On the very first day, you didn't say that Ram school jata hai. You were just initially getting comfortable pronouncing every letter, word clearly. Ram school jata hai. Ravi ped par chadhta hai. And nowadays, as a native speaker, what you do? You can pronounce them by merging words together, by merging letters together, by merging sounds together. Native speakers merge sounds together. It doesn't become good morning. It goes good morning, goodbye, that tree, that was amazing, or something such. But you can't do this on the very first day because your tongue is not precise, your lips are not precise, your sounds are not clear. What if I tell you the pronunciation of C-A-N, the modal verb in English, can, is kun, K-N, there is no vowel sound in between? Yep, If I tell you the pronunciation of C-A-N for a native speaker is can, just can. Sounds horrible, but let me show you. As an Indian, as a non-native speaker, we can say, I can do this. I can do this. But a native speaker will not be saying the same as Ram school jata hai. He'll say Ram school jata hai, putting words together, merging sounds together. And the exact sound of I can do this is going to be I can do this. I can do this. Now I didn't say I can do this. I can do this. I can do this, or something such. There are lots of examples I can mark you here. What about the pronunciation of should? The same model if I ask you. Yep, it is going to be should. But if you say or speak like a native speaker, you won't be pronouncing that completely as should. You should tell me, you should do this, you should do this, you should do this, you should do this, not you should do this. And remember, should ends in a D and do starts at D. You won't be pronouncing the two D's together. Drop one of them. It's going to be you should do this, you should do this, dropping the D of should and just pronouncing the D of do. It happens a lot, the same way native speakers do in any language. If I say that tree, if I say that tree, the ending of THAT is a T. The starting of TREE is a T. I can't pronounce both the T's over there. Say that tree. You were talking about that tree? That tree? That tree, not that tree or something such. Would love to finish this video here. I know, pretty short, but this is going to be the first video I'm going to upload on my YouTube channel regarding spoken English. Would love to get the feedback from your side regarding this video. If you guys feel comfortable, we'll be uploading surely many videos in the upcoming future. But yes, in my opinion, I marked you a couple of things that are pretty beneficial for your spoken English. Please focus on enunciation. That means please initially as a non-native speaker pronounce every letter, vowel, consonant sound precisely. And once your tongue gets comfortable, once your lips get comfortable, you can pronounce words faster, clearer, and then you can merge them all together. So finishing this video here, if you want me to upload more videos regarding spoken English, mention some comments in the comment section down below. You can also join me on my music channel, Kapil Music Boy. Follow me at Instagram with the same handle, Kapil Music Boy. Follow me at Twitter if you want to, with the same handle, Kapil Music Boy. Would love to see you in the upcoming videos. Till then, this is Kapil Dev Sharma and always welcome to my YouTube channel, English by Kapil Dev Sharma. Thank you.